Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles for you. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Jiminy Cricket from the Disney movie Pinocchio. So before we get started, please feel free to leave a like and leave a comment too. Let me know something that you would like to learn how to draw. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. It would be great to have you around. Okay, so drawing Jiminy Cricket. I'm going to start with the eye. I'm going to do like a little hill right there. It's going to be part of the eye. And we're going to come on up with like an upside down U, great big upside down U. And then the same shape inside and a little circle. And then I'm going to color this part in all black. And now I can do a little shape like that for a eyebrow. Now on the other side, let's do pretty much the same thing. So a little hill there, and then we've got the eye and the inside, a little circle, and everything else is going in all black. And then we've got a little eyebrow. So now let's do a little curve, a little weird line like that, and another little one. And now here in the middle, we're going to do like a V shape. And now we're going to do a great big smile. And we're going to do an open mouth like that. Do two little hills inside for a tongue. And we can color the inside part here all black because there's not a lot of light getting in the mouth. So that'll be all black. Okay, so next let's do a little bit of a face shape. So a little bit of a cheek there, come on down and up like this. I'm going to do a little line like that on top of the head because this is going to be for the hat. So we're going to follow along here like that. All right, so let's continue working on the hat. A silly little shape like this. And then come on up and over and down. And then do a line like this here. It's going to be a ribbon going across the hat. So next thing we're going to do, let's work on the collar. So we can come on up and back down and have a little line like this. It's going to be going in behind his head. I'm going to come on out this way and bring that line right here. And we can finish off that line right there. Now we can do a V shape and do a little line here in the middle. And now we can come on down and go across and come on down again. And we're going to go down, do a little sideways V, and then go down. And over here we're going to do the same, go down, a little sideways V, and go down again. We're going to put a circle right here. Now we're going to do a little line and come on down. And come on down this way too. All right, so next I'm going to do a little curve right here and come on up. And little curve and come on up. So this line here is going to curve in behind the legs, and we're going to bring it on up, and right here we're going to work on an arm, and over here we're going to bring down a line for an arm and bring this line up, and we can do this line here to finish off that sleeve. And let's do a thumb. Now a finger, and another one, and another one, and he's going to be holding on to his umbrella. So let's do a little umbrella handle right here. It'll be kind of coming out right there. Do a little curve, bring it on down a little bit more. And we can do some upside down U shapes. And then slant it downward. This way too. And we can have a little pointy spot right here on the end of the umbrella. And we can do a few little lines. And now let's do some great big shoes for Jiminy Cricket. Do a little curve. Now, great big shoe. With a little curve like that. We do a line and another line. And then do the same on the other side for his other foot. All right, now this line, I'm going to bring it down closer to the hip, and we're going to have his hand on his hip. So we've got a line coming down this way. We're going to bring it in, and a little line there and a little line there. So we got Jiminy Cricket all drawn out, and now I'm going to get started on the coloring. All right, everyone, we're finished drawing Jiminy Cricket. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw next. Goodbye, everybody!